Credo Software, a women-owned tech company providing custom adaptable solutions for digital communication and continuous improvement needs. Our three primary focus areas are Industry 4.0 integrations, rapid application development, and human resource solutions. The Credo competitive advantage is years of collaborative relationships with Tier 1. Our valued partners frequently share their positive experiences. Listen to a few in their own words. Credo Software has been a valued partner for Bosch Anderson for years, and we have developed many software and programming solutions for both simple and complex issues. They are a great resource for us, and we truly value the relationship we have with their group. Credo Software proves its capability on a daily basis here in our company. Since its introduction, we have been able to revolutionize several multi-departmental workflow processes by using highly customized databases to assign tasks and track performance. The ease of use, consistent reliability, and beautiful user interface of Credo programs, as well as the responsiveness of the Credo team, have impressed everyone involved in these projects since their conception. Credo Software has the unique ability to listen and understand the problem and develop solutions that are based on sound programming and a good understanding of how the process works. Great team to work with. Collaborating with this client's quality and logistics department, Credo created a digital lean solution that gained national recognition. First place category, digitalization of the supply chain and connected industry. Today, the kitting count tool is being augmented with Azure AI custom vision tools to improve work efficiency. Areas of savings and sustainability are easy to highlight from our core competencies. From our smart mobility management solutions, the HR hotline improves communication and compliance with access to real-time information across the factory, customizable for facility and department needs. Paperless initiatives. The Credo paperless work order system saves each plant 6 figures a year in supplies alone. 3,000 workforce hours are repurposed within the plant. Additional bonus: production is completed over 48 hours faster than before. Scanning solutions. Partnering with hardware and logistics companies, Credo assists quality departments with integrations of scanning, QR code, RFID, and barcoding technologies. These solutions create transparency for management and reduce shipping delays. Providing full transparency. Credo finds its greatest strength in our valued client relationships. With years of creating adaptive innovations to help them do what they do better, Credo has emerged as a trusted advisor. Our weakness as a small business gives us perspective, tenacity, and personal investment. Our opportunities come from turning manufacturing obstacles into continuous improvements. Our growing network is opening doors to new client integrations. Our threats are merely hurdles to overcome. With a proven history of addressing dozens of manufacturing pain points, Credo helps clients hurdle obstacles and improve processes. With over 22 years of value-added solutions in manufacturing, Credo creates solutions to not only alleviate potential manufacturing pains, but give clients significant time and cost savings. Credo is an integral trusted advisor and technical partner for Industry 4.0 and other custom software integrations. Scan and subscribe and learn more about partnering with Credo.